Namaste. A lot of people ask me about splits or Hanuman Asana. So today I am going to guide you how to go about it and what small points are there to achieve your splits. So in splits you can see that you need hamstring flexibility and your little hip openers. So how you're going to increase your hamstring flexibility is first is your bandha. So if you can make strong bandha, or I'll just show about it. So it increases your flexibility. So how you're going to do is inhale, exhale, inhale, your lungs should puff up, exhale, release your air and just keep the stomach inside. You can see it here. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, so just contract your abdomen when you're exhaling. It makes your bandha very strong, and in lot of asana you require that kind of bandha, so that increase of flexibility and on top of that deep breath. So inhale again, exhale, so hum, again so hum, when you are done with your breathing, now you can stand up, keep your feet together and try to come as forward as possible, like this. If you can't, you can grab a block and keep it like this, and then inhale, exhale, and when you're exhaling, keep this bandha which I have spoken about tight and then come forward. So this bandha will create a hollowness here so that your chest can come forward. Okay, if you can reach here, you can now inhale, look forward, exhale, inhale, exhale. When you are exhaling, you are contracting your abdomen. Now spread your feet, hold your toes, inhale, look up, exhale again, try to come as forward as possible and try to keep your weight on the toes so that you are coming forward, not backward. You are coming forward like this, and then here. Take 5 breaths here, deep breath. look forward and come up. Similar thing, you're going to sit here and straight position and try to come forward. If you can, like this, then inhale and exhale. If you can't, just take one band like this, stretch it here and always remember to keep your knees straight, not like this. If you're keeping like this, then there is no point. The hamstrings are not, there is no stretch here. So you have to keep it here, and there will be kind of a little stretch you will feel. So breathe. When you breathe, the hamstring flexibility, the flexibility will be better. Okay, so inhale, exhale, inhale, inhale. You can see my lower abdomen is going down. When I am going down, I am exhaling. Next step is come to mountain pose. And right leg next to the right hand, and keep bouncing your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 3 like a dog. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg up and open your hips and look at your armpit. Again down. Similar thing with left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg up, straight. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg up and open your hips. Look at your armpit and Adho Mukha Svanasana and come to child pose. Now similar, come downward dog, and you were here. Now try to stretch your legs up here as much as possible, like this, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up. Left leg forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now right leg come to half thing, like this. It should be straight with your arms. Sit straight. Your hips are square, like this, and breathe. Feel the stretch here, here, and breathe in this. Again, come to mountain pose. Right leg up, left leg up, and square your left leg like this. and breathe. Again, mountain pose. Left leg up, down. Come to child pose. Now come to the main Hanumanasana or split. In that, if you are starting it, start with a pillow or some soft thing here, so that your hamstrings are intact. Try to come in between and just step by step like this. If you can, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then if you can, come on this pillow. Adjust your hips. It should be square. It should not be here. Okay? It should not be here. It should be square like this. And breathe. Try to keep your toes forward so that your legs get more flexibility. Take 5 breaths here. Now come to downward dog. Again, left leg always do with both sides. One side is always either more flexible or more strong, but always do with both sides. So slowly with your heel, go forward, go forward, go forward like this, and try to sit on the cushion. So when you sit on the cushion, you will not feel the hard surface, and for the beginners it's very comfortable, you know. So I also started like that, so I think this is a good start with the breathe. And then slowly remove the pillow, come to the downward dog. After this, you can try and make the butterfly so that your hamstrings, or you can do like this, so that whatever stretch was there, it will be softened. Like this, or you can do like this, like this. Thank you.